In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of the Zendesk chat widget to align with your brand's appearance. This customization can significantly enhance the consistency and professionalism of your user interaction, and I'll walk you through the straightforward process using the chat dashboard. First, let's log into your admin center. This is your starting point for accessing the wealth of customization features Zendesk offers. Once you're in, look toward the navigation panel and find Channels. Clicking on this will expand a menu. From there, navigate to Messaging. This is your gateway to tweaking the chat interface settings. You'll notice an ellipsis icon here, a subtle yet important feature which leads you to more options. Click it and select Edit. Now turning to the Appearance tab. Here is where the real customization magic happens. You have the power to alter the theme color of the widget outline and header by selecting a specific hex code. Think carefully about your choice here, as this color will visually represent your brand on the chat widget. A cohesive look makes your brand stand out, so perhaps refer to your brand guidelines if you have them handy. Next, decide where the widget itself will sit on the screen. If you're using certain versions of the widget, you might have a choice between positioning it at the bottom right or bottom left of the screen. The location can impact user experience, so consider the design of your site when making this decision. We'll move on to adding a custom avatar or badge image, which will appear when no active chat session is ongoing. This could be your logo or another representative image that aligns with your brand's identity. It adds a personal touch to the widget and can make visitors feel more engaged even before the conversation begins. If your focus is also on mobile users, you'll find the option to choose between an overlay window or a pop-out mode on the mobile widget. This flexibility ensures that the chat option looks just as good on a small screen as it does on desktop. Once you've made all these personalized adjustments, take a moment to review them in the preview pane. A quick check to ensure everything meets your expectations before going live is always wise. Satisfied with your changes? Then it's time to click Save Changes. But wait, there's one final step before you're done. Be patient, as it might take a few minutes for these updates to propagate through to your live site. After a short wait, visit your website and confirm that the new theme is now active and looks impeccable. With these steps, you've successfully customized your Zendesk chat widget, making it a seamless part of your brand's online presence. Remember, maintaining consistency across all customer touchpoints can greatly enhance the overall user experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy customizing.